Stars Learning TV.
Hi kids! Let's try the dotted numbers from 0 to 10. Let's try the number 0. Let's try the number 1. Let's try the number 2. Let's try the number 3. Let's try the number 4. Let's try the number 5. Let's try the number 6. Let's try the number 7. Let's try the number 8. Let's try the number 9. Let's try the number 10. Wow, well done kids, good job! Let's write and count the numbers from 1 to 10. Let's start with 1. Add a tiny line at the top and make a straight standing line from top to bottom. Now add a tiny line at the bottom. 1 cabbage. Now it's time for 2. Make a curved top and a straight line across the bottom. One, two corns. Now it's time for 3. Draw 2 curves, one on the top of the other. One, two, three. 3 radishes. Now it's time for the number 4. Make an L shape, then add a straight line down on the right. One, two, three, 4. 4 broccolis. Now it's time for the number 5. Draw a short top line, a line down, then a big curve. One, two, three, 4, 5. 5 carrots. Now it's time for the number 6. Make a circle at the bottom and curve the top inward. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6. 6 brinjals. Now it's time for the number 7. Draw a long top line and a slanted line down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 onions. Now it's time for the number 8. Draw a small circle on the top and a big circle under it. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 tomatoes. Now it's time for the number 9. Make a circle on the top with a straight line down. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 chilies. Now it's time for the number 10. Draw a straight line and add a tiny line at the top or the bottom for the one. And a round zero next to it. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 pumpkins.
Great job, kids. You learned ABCs with all these amazing words. Keep practicing and singing along. See you next time.